Let's show it from the other angle, going side, together, side, and once we're here, we're gonna continue further. You will swing to the left, to the right, and back, left, together, left. Let's dance the entire part one more time. Right, left, right, together, right, left, right, left, together, left. Meanwhile, obviously you will need to lead the ladies' rotation, so you will have to combine two things at a time. Remember about bending your knees slightly, this will make it look fluent and natural. Remember about taking rather small steps. 1, 2, now small steps, step, rotate, transfer the body weight on your right leg and together at the same time with your partner the final side step. Bend the knees, step, rotate, bend the knees and side step together. Notice that first rotation of the lady is counterclockwise, so a man will lead it with the left hand, leading the hand between the two of you, and then to the side. While going back, the rotation is clockwise, man is leading the rotation with the hand to the left and above the lady's head. Let's do it one more time, the entire part together, from this angle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.